Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are starving. Let's go get some breakfast. Absolutely scrumptious, delicious.
Okay guys, we're going for a drive.
We're gonna test out our new coilovers.
It's our first time going, so
Yeah, it's our first time. But,
should be fun.
And let's see if you can keep up.
And let's stay safe.
Stay safe. That's the most important thing. That wide angle looks like it's so far away, but I'm really like right up behind her right now.
There's so many potholes on this road. And people crash this specific corner like at least once every 2 weeks, so.
This right here is like my favorite part of this entire place. It's so beautiful. All the trees and the light shining through it. And it's also really fun. I love this car.
The amount of cars in front of me right now is ridiculous.
Yep, alright, I know what she's doing. She's rubber banding right now. She knows that there's going to be traffic up ahead, so she's letting it pass. Yeah, this road is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. This is where we turn in. Alright, we're gonna go for a second run.
I love you.
it felt high off the ground, and there's no driver response. With these coilovers, I want to say the floatiness is still there, but it's not as bad, obviously, because we're lower to the ground and it's a little stiffer suspension. But if you haven't checked out that video, I'd really recommend checking it out. It's the last one. I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link in the description or up top, or however that works. I'm stuck behind the Camry. It's the first like real drive I've been on with these coilovers. Well, maybe the second, I would say. This is definitely the first with the coilovers fully broken in, I would suppose, and honestly they feel pretty good. Okay, so we decided not to go for another run just because there's too much traffic today, but we will be doing way more of these videos.
At night, eventually.
Yeah, eventually. Yeah, she just got a new prescription, so that way she'll be able to see better at night. What were your impressions of today's drive? Because I really enjoyed it. I really did.
I enjoyed the way back when I was following you, but the way when I was leading, I was just really frustrated. There were so many cars going so slow. The way back was good. Yeah, the way back was really fun. I was full throttle pretty much the whole way up until that Camry. And then there was that stupid minivan, and then the stupid truck, and then the stupid... there's just a lot of dumb people. Yeah, like I said, we'll be doing this a lot more often. This is a lot of fun. And every time we start doing new mods, as far as driver mods, we will be testing them out, and we will be seeing if we notice any differences. And I need bucket seats next. I'm like this. Yeah, especially if you're driving a long distance or a long time, it gets a lot of strain on your body if you don't have bucket seats. Yeah. Because you're constantly trying to fight it. What is she doing? Taylor has her hazards on, and this car is just sitting there. There we go. See, remember how we were just talking about stupid people? I gotta say, one of my favorite things about Taylor's car is that when I'm driving behind her, or even driving passenger, people like this always break their necks. Every time. I'm always staring like into their windows, and I'm like watching them go as she passes by. It's the sickest thing ever. I love it. I mean, how could you not? I mean, look at that car. We made it home safe.
Thanks for watching.
No!
Alright.
We made it home safely.
And we had tons of fun today, right?
Yeah.
Going the speed limit.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video, whatever that may be.
I know what it is, but stay tuned.
Alright, bye.